I am not saying that I am now in agreement with Sison. I don't like his style, but I do not hate him. We are friends, and we can be friends. Some other time they say, I would kill for money. But since Sison is my professor, I will kill him for nothing. Except that before he goes to the blue yonder, kindly find time to talk sensible peace. We have been at it 53 years. I do not think that if you have not succeeded in just about 5 years, it's a lost cause. I suggest that we do not make any demands. We go to the table and to talk about it. And if you process something which is not acceptable, and I would say, no, I cannot accept that. And if I propose something and he does not relish it, then maybe he can go back to Netherlands. If I were him, I'll just, since he is there already permanently, I would rather that he gets another 2 wives and start breeding a new family there. If there's no peace, there is no way that he can come back. I think Attorney Agkawili has sounded off. She was coming again to talk, and I told the military and the police, just allow him. For after all, it's just we are on a waiting period about the appropriate time to talk about peace.